Guys, 310 here, and today we're going to be making a basic locomotive in Gmod.
Where do I find like the physics train section?
So yeah, I'm just going to start off with some basic wheels.
I think you have permission to pull out. Find it. Okay, Happy, I actually will make, since the locomotive I'm building right now is going to be, like, different, I'm going to actually make the wheels visible.
No, I'm just gonna... No, not well, that's what effed me up last time.
It's a wheelbase right here. Heavy. Correct length, that's an 84 piece.
I can't do anything about that, sorry about all the voices and stuff. So yeah. What I'm using right now is physics and build mode. Highly recommended, in my opinion. And
I'm putting the
don't use
stuff
Wald.
on now.
Wald is bad.
That's an props.
Wald too will screw up the server anytime, so
okay.
That's why I recommend not using it. Messed up again. Actually,
I think I'm gonna stick with that 84 piece just because I'm making a smaller engine. I'm making like a yard. I'm making more like a inspection in.
Sorry about that. I just put in earphones so it's better for viewers. So yeah. So yeah, we're just gonna do the usual wheelbase. We're not gonna do a bogey or anything. So yeah. Alright, now we're gonna use physics gun build mode. I recommend it. Not really sure how this really works, but 130.486 units. Okay. Shoot. Oh god, I messed up. I'm actually gonna probably build here, because looking over there is a bit laggy. So yeah. So yeah, please comment, like, and subscribe. This is my first gaming video we have on our channel. So please don't be haters. We really this is my dream to be a YouTuber. And I don't want it to be crushed by, screw it. Never mind. You know what? This is gonna be a tutorial, basically a tutorial of a basic train. That, unlike a lot of different videos, it may not be the best though. But so, yeah, you get what I'm saying, I hope. Alright, that's that. Occasionally I might crash, cause sometimes it sucks when I crash randomly. So yeah, just putting out a my tongue is killing me. A warning out. So some recordings might not make it out, but worth a shot. Next we're gonna use I'm not gonna get into details what each single piece is called, because total leisure. Sorry about that. So yeah, this is gonna be, unlike a lot of tutorials where it's just one of those trains that's just a wheelbase. For why didn't I mention this? But this is gonna be a shunter. Hopefully the game doesn't crash on me. It usually does. So yeah, you can add whatever you want after. I'm just doing the tutorial of the chassis or the main base or the body of the thing. I don't care, but the real thing. Oh my god, my tongue is a twist. Oh, sorry. I get a lot of different voices. Oh. I just want to be popular. That's all. This is why I don't have friends. So yeah. I got the alert. We're just gonna line these pieces up. This is my second train I've ever done. Just saying. Okay, that scared me for a second. Gonna face this way so there's not really any lag. I mean LARP. Whatever, I don't give a crap. First gaming video on our channel. So yeah, it may not be the best, like a lot of YouTubers, but first time. So yeah. Okay. Sorry about me being quiet. It's just that I have no idea what to talk about. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my god. Sorry. Occasionally I get weirded. So yeah. Oh my god, I don't know what I'm saying. You know what? For the rest of the video, I most likely will be quiet. So enjoy. Oh, another recommendation: don't weld any of these together. That's the worst mistake you can ever do, because you will lerp everything if you're on a server. So yeah, I recommend not using weld for now. And this is the base of it so far. So yeah, you can set the materials to anything. I don't care, because this is not you guys might make it, but yeah, I'll be quiet now.